Da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, my baby.
What up, guys? It's Destiny. I'm back. I haven't been back since the sibling tag. The video is gonna be all about eyeliners for beginners. You know, eyeliners, cat eye, whatever you call it. It makes the world go round. You will never catch me without eyeliner unless like it's a really busy day and I don't got time to do eyeliner because it's very time consistent. But this took me about 5 minutes. I just looked for one eye. It took me about maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So this is just a 5-minute eyeliner tutorial. So let's get into it. It's pretty easy, simple task. I try to walk through, but it's pretty simple as you could see. So let's get into it. So, as you can see in this eye, I did it way better. That's because the ink was ready. But sometimes, like, I like to tap my eyeliner just so more product could come out. You see that product? You see that product? Alright. So, when your eye comes out looking like caca, what I like to do, and I don't know if I learned it from a beauty guru, who knows. Usually what I like to do when I clean up my eyeliner, I use the NYX foundation, or you can use any foundation. I prefer liquid foundation because it glides on easier. And I believe this is a concealer brush. Who knows, nowadays they got 20,000 brushes. So just take a little, like so, and apply. And just brush it out. Pretty easy. You go back in because sometimes it freaks up my eyeliner. And that's pretty much it of the easy eyeliner tutorial. I've been meaning to do this video for so long, but I just forget. So yes, it's pretty easy steps. Boom, boom, done. You know, you will get your bad days, you will get your good days, but you know, this is how I do it. If you do like sharp and long and a little thick, then follow my steps. If you do not, there are plenty other videos on how to do other styles of eyeliner. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of my videos. And I do have a new well, it's not really a different background, but I switched rooms, so I have a bigger room to film in. I'm still hanging on my posters. I do want one more poster, so stay tuned for that. I will be doing a closet tour once I'm done cleaning everything. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching so much, and besitos.